everybody, my name's Eve and this is going to be my first YouTube video on this channel. So basically, this is my first YouTube video on this channel. I just want to tell you a bit about my channel before we, begin the video. Basically, my channel is going to be like how-to videos, like how to do this, how to do that, how to get free stuff, which kind of brings me into the topic of the video. The topic of this video. Basically, guys, in this video, I'm going to be basically showing you how to get free samples and stuff on a website called Magic Freebies. So basically, yeah, this is a website called Magic Freebies. You just want to type up magicfreebies.co.uk, or you can just type up Magic Freebies, and this is basically where we'll be doing all of our stuff. So this is not a scam, this website really does work. So yeah, let's get on with the video. So guys, basically, first thing you want to do is you want to go to Magic Freebies, and this only works in the UK if I didn't already say that. So if you're American or if you live in other countries, you won't be able to actually do this. You can with other sites. If you just type up freebie sites, there will be a lot of other freebie sites, but this one works the best and you get the best products. So basically, you go onto the website, it will take you to their homepage. Then you click free stuff and it will have all this stuff here. But I actually want some body creams and lotions, so I'm just going to click body lotions and creams. Then you go down and you just look for whatever one you want. I've actually done all of these. I've actually ordered all of them. Right. So I guess I've done that one, Sensora micellar water. Now I'm going to do the Sensora night cream and day cream. So basically, guys, okay, so basically I'm just clicking read more. So you just want to click read more, and then it will tell you about the product. So it says, manufactured in the UK, Sensora products are free from any harmful ingredients that could irritate skin. If you'd like to try that, basically blah 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 blah. So if you would like a free sample set of Sensora products, then send Sensora an email with your postal address, include your age and skin type in your email. So yeah. Basically, if you want to email them, so you have to email them. So you copy their email, so Control-C. Then you head to your email address and you just click compose and then paste it. And then you type up the subject, so free sample. Then you click, then you write, so I'm going to write hello. You can, I'll put this in the description if you would like, guys. Well, actually I won't, because you can do it for whatever products. You don't always email other products you fill out this form, but I'm just going to show you with this one. So, hello, I would like to receive a sample set of your products. My address is, then you put your address. I'm actually going to pause it and then I'll be back with you guys. So just fill in your address. You just send it to them, and basically, yeah, you just send them stuff, email. So, oh god, okay guys, so I'm just going to delete this one because I've already sent it and I don't know why. So sorry. So I've just sent it. Oh my god, my address is showing. Okay guys, yeah. So basically, when you send it, basically they will review it and they will send you your product. I think they do it in a few weeks actually. It can depend though. So basically, yeah. Then you just wait and then you get your product and baboosh, you can carry on doing that and you get samples and makeup and all of that for free basically. So some companies will make you pay a delivery, but yeah, not all of them. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Bye!